In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase font size in Notion step by step, even though Notion doesn't have a traditional font size slider like Word or Google Docs. This is one of the most common questions Notion users ask, especially beginners who want their text to stand out better or improve readability in their pages. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your text bigger using built-in Notion formatting options. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Notion tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to increase the font size. Notion works on a block-based system, so everything you see is considered a block. To begin, select the text that you want to make larger. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, or by clicking on the block itself if you want to format the entire line. Once the text is selected, you'll see a small floating menu appear above or near your selection. In that menu, click on the option labeled Text. This opens the formatting menu where Notion allows you to change how your text appears. Now, this is the key part to understand. Notion doesn't let you freely resize text, but instead uses heading styles to control font size. From the text menu, click on Heading 1. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the text becomes much larger and bolder. Heading 1 is the largest text size available in Notion and is typically used for page titles or major section headings. If Heading 1 feels too large for your needs, you can easily adjust it. With the same text still selected, click on the text option again, and this time choose Heading 2. Heading 2 is slightly smaller than Heading 1, making it perfect for subheadings or section titles that don't need as much emphasis. Again, if you want an even smaller size that's still larger than normal text, repeat the process. Select the text, click on Text, and choose Heading 3. Heading 3 gives you a moderate font size increase and works well for smaller headings or structured content within a section. By switching between Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3, you can effectively control how large your text appears in Notion. This is currently the best and only native way to increase font size in Notion, without using third-party tools or browser extensions. A quick tip here is to stay consistent with your headings, using Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for smaller divisions makes your Notion pages cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to increase font size in Notion using headings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.